Hey everyone, it's Jimmy. Today, we're going to turn that leftover store-bought roast chicken into 5 mouth-watering recipes. You know, the one sitting in your fridge right now silently judging you? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We're talking about transforming those chicken bones and little bits of meat into culinary masterpieces that would make Gordon Ramsay shed a tear, of joy hopefully. No more dry leftovers for you, my friend. Get ready to be amazed as we turn your boring leftovers into a flavor explosion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Let's get cooking. All right, first up, we're tackling the classic chicken salad, but with a twist. Shred up all that leftover chicken. You're going to need about 2 cups worth. Don't be shy. Get every last bit. Now chop up some celery, about 1.5 cups of red onion. Dice them nice and small. We don't want any giant chunks ruining the vibe. Next, we're adding some sweetness and tang. Grab a handful of juicy grapes, about 1 cup should do, and chop those in half. For the creamy base, we're using 1 cup of mayonnaise and 1/2 cup of sour cream. Mix it all together in a big bowl until it's well combined. Now, the secret ingredient? A pinch of paprika and a dash of cayenne pepper. Don't worry, it won't be too spicy. Just a little kick to wake up those taste buds. Give it a taste, adjust the seasonings, and bam! You've got yourself a chicken salad fit for a king. All right, quesadilla lovers, this one's for you. Grab your leftover chicken again, about 1.5 cups shredded, and toss it in a pan with some sizzling butter. We're talking medium heat, people. No burning the chicken allowed. While that's heating up, finely chop up 1/2 onion and 1 green bell pepper. Toss those in the pan with the chicken and cook until they're nice and soft. Now here's where the magic happens. Sprinkle in your favorite taco seasoning. I'm using about 2 tablespoons, and stir it all up. Time for the cheese. Grab a handful of shredded cheddar cheese, about 1 cup, and sprinkle it over the chicken mixture. Lay out your tortillas and spoon a generous amount of filling onto 1/2 of each tortilla. Fold them in half and grill them in a pan until they're golden brown and crispy. Boom! You've got yourself a fiesta in your mouth. Feeling under the weather, or just craving a warm hug in a bowl? This chicken soup is the answer. First things first, grab a large pot and heat up some olive oil over medium heat. Dice 1 onion and 2 carrots and toss them in the pot, cooking them until they're soft and fragrant. Add in 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for another minute. Now pour in 6 cups of chicken broth and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, add your shredded chicken, about 2 cups, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. Time to bulk it up. Add 1 cup of cooked egg noodles, a handful of chopped fresh parsley, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Let it simmer for a few more minutes until the noodles are cooked through. There you have it, the perfect cure for whatever ails you. Craving takeout, but don't want to break the bank? This chicken fried rice is here to save the day. First up, cook 1 cup of white rice according to the package directions. Once it's cooked, spread it out on a baking sheet to cool completely. We want it nice and dry for the best fried rice ever. While the rice is cooling, chop up your veggies. 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of peas, and 1/2 cup of chopped onion. Scramble 2 eggs in a separate bowl and set aside. Now heat up some oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add your chopped veggies and cook until they're tender crisp. Push the veggies to the side and pour your scrambled eggs into the pan. Cook until they're just set, then add the cooked rice and shredded chicken, about 1.5 cups. Pour in your favorite soy sauce. I'm using about 1/4 cup and stir fry everything together for a few minutes. Dinner is served. Last but not least, we're ending this epic leftover roast chicken journey with a creamy, dreamy chicken Alfredo pasta. Cook your favorite pasta according to package directions. I'm using fettuccine because it's the best. While the pasta is cooking, let's make that amazing Alfredo sauce. In a saucepan, melt 1/2 cup of butter over medium heat. Add 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for about a minute until fragrant. Now whisk in 2 cups of heavy cream and 1 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Keep whisking until the sauce is smooth and thickened. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Add your cooked pasta and shredded chicken, about 2 cups, to the sauce and toss to coat. Sprinkle with fresh parsley and more Parmesan cheese. And there you have it, a restaurant-quality meal made with leftovers. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed these 5 epic leftover roast chicken recipes. Now you can impress your friends and family with your culinary genius, and they'll never suspect you used leftovers. Don't forget to hit that like button if you're ready to become a leftover legend, and subscribe for more tasty content. Remember, we're on a mission to eliminate food waste one delicious recipe at a time. Until next time, stay hungry, my friends.